In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a stunning PowerPoint presentation with ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is a super easy workflow if you want to save time, get a professional-looking draft fast, and then customize it to match your style. Whether you're a student, teacher, creator, or business owner, this method can help you build a presentation structure much faster than starting from scratch. If you find this useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app. Once it loads, you're going to type a clear command that includes your topic and the number of slides you want. This is important because ChatGPT works best when you give it specific instructions. Instead of asking vaguely for a presentation, tell it exactly what you need. For example, you can type a prompt like, "Act as a professional and make a PowerPoint presentation on the topic How We Can Protect Our Mother Nature," and create it in 4 slides. This tells ChatGPT the subject, the style, and the length of the presentation all at once. The more clear your prompt is, the better the output will be. After you send the command, ChatGPT will take a moment to generate the content. Usually, this only takes about a minute, depending on the length and detail of your request. It will create slide-by-slide content that you can use as the foundation for your presentation. In many cases, this includes a title slide, main content slides, and a conclusion slide. Once the presentation text is ready, review it carefully. Make sure the points are relevant, simple, and easy to present. If you want, you can ask ChatGPT to make the slides more formal, more creative, shorter, or more detailed. You can also request speaker notes, bullet points, or a different tone depending on your audience. Next, click the download icon to save the generated presentation file. Depending on the tool or format you're using, this may download a PowerPoint file or a presentation outline that you can open in PowerPoint or another editor. After downloading, open the file and begin editing it accordingly. This is where you can make it truly your own. Add your brand colors, change the fonts, insert relevant images, improve the layout, and refine the wording if needed. You can also rearrange the slides so the flow feels more polished and professional. Even though ChatGPT gives you a great starting point, the final touch is what makes the presentation stand out. If you want to make it even better, keep your slides clean and avoid overcrowding them with too much text. Use strong headings, simple bullet points, and visuals that support your message. That will make your PowerPoint easier to read and more impressive to present. So that's it. Open ChatGPT, enter your topic and slide count, ask it to create the PowerPoint, wait for the output, then download and edit the presentation to fit your needs. It's fast, simple, and a great way to create professional slides without wasting hours. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.